Hi everyone, in front of me I've got RedMagic 10R and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data if you only want to check whether you've got the updates. If you'll decide to download it, I highly recommend to switch to the Wi-Fi because the files connected with the update are quite large and using mobile data may cause additional charges from your carrier. So simply switch to the Wi-Fi if you can. So now let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on System Update and your device will ask you for the permission to use the phone. So just tap on Allow and then your device will automatically check for the updates. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, which is alright. You can just turn it off and you're done. But the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install somewhere here, and your device will of course download the files and then update the device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.